Minista wa mathako Salim Mvurya nĩ ũrĩtie mashabiki a mahenya ma ngari gũthiĩ na mbere na kwĩyumĩria nĩguo makenerere mwago wa mathako maya na kũnyitĩrĩra a Kenya arĩa mathakaga mathako maya.
Tomorrow we will be at Hell's Gate for the final. His Excellency the President will be there tomorrow for the award ceremony, and therefore we want to urge more Kenyans to also come in large numbers. And basically also to wish everybody who has participated all the best.
Akiaria mwena wa Naivasha kuria mathako maya makoretwo magithie na mbere augite ati thirikari nĩ kũnyitanĩra na mathukuru gutigĩrĩra taranda cia andũ ethĩ nĩ irakũrio.
This is an issue we have already picked up with our talent academy, but also working with other institutions, the TVET, and with support of international organizations who have experience in training and also who are willing to work with us to put in more resources for this motorsport talent. So,
munini wa munene wa borithi Stephen Etiang nĩ erĩire mũingĩ ũrĩa wĩyumagĩria kwĩrorera mathako maya ndũkagĩe na guoya kuona atĩ ũgitĩri nĩ mũgacĩrithie.
We have the multi-agency team from all sectors of security in Kenya, whereby we have put all our sectors together and ensure that the security is good for this rally, so that we don't have any complaints from the members of the public.
Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Alice Wagoi wa Maina.